Hey friends, if you encounter RDR file system a blue screen of death error on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, the issue is with the RAM, and if nothing else works then you will have to change the RAM. But we will try software level solutions before anything else. So remove peripherals like printers, scanners and cameras, etc. Why? Because they start pushing in their own drivers to the system which conflict with the existing drivers on the computer, thus causing the problem. So remove peripherals and check if it helps. After that, check for recently installed software on the system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps and then arrange by date installed. Now this will show all recently installed applications. If something has been installed from a source other than the Microsoft Store, remove it just to isolate the issue. Okay, isolate the cause, and if this helps, then you will understand what was causing the problem. If not, even in that case, you can always reinstall that application. Then you can run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Click on restart now and check for problems. The last solution is to change the RAM. So here's the thing, we tried the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, we have fixed the files using SFC scan, we have checked for driver related issues, we checked for any recently installed software, so there's nothing left to check. Then the only option and the only solution is to change the RAM of your computer, which is to be done by a qualified hardware technician. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.